Hey y'all, we're back again with a 2-bedroom tour at the Beach Club. This is a DVC room 454, and this is an accessible room. The door has this nice system where it will close on its own. You can take my word for it. It'll start to close any second now. There's the button to press to open. And the washer and dryer. And this is the main area, your kitchen, dining table, coffee pot and Keurig. That's nice and new. I do believe this is a refurbished room. This will pull down into a bed. It's the ducks. Patio with a view of the DVC pool, which I will show you later. This is the second bedroom. Look at how high the beds are so you can shove your luggage underneath for storage. That's really nice. Something I do really love about this room is look at how big this patio is. View of the DVC pool. And how that connects to the master bedrooms patio over there, which I'll show you when we get to that side. Let's close the door because it's muggy. And we'll go into the second bedroom's bath. Look at how gorgeous that is. If one could ever say gorgeous about a vanity. But the second bedroom has this really nice walk-in shower. I do still really like the carpets in the renovated room. I don't know. I'm sure it's harder to clean, but it does make it more comfortable. There's a view of the main living area. I do really like the lighting in here. I'll show you the master bath first. There's the shower. And the soaking tub. Now, the one thing I do not like, even though the soaking tub is nice, is there's no jets. Nice artwork. But the main thing that I feel like is weird is in all the other 2 bedrooms, there's a door here that will go into the shower. But minor details. This is the master bedroom. Notice that the bed is lower. Nice little desk area. Comfy chair. And the patio again. That oversees the DVC pool. And connects to the second bedroom patio. Give you one last final look. They do have like USB plugs and stuff here to charge your phones or whatever your devices are. And that is the 2-bedroom.